my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. One of the major advantages that you have with Lowcoder is that you can style any app to an extreme extent, more than at typical low-code platforms, because we want to give you a mix possibility between web editor and application design. So let's have just a look. When we have any component, we can just click it, and if we have the section both or layout, in the right side you will find the style sections. It depends on the component how much and for which different parts of the component you have. Button is clear, it's only one. Let's have a look for table, and you will see that we have for each table section individual styles. One generic for the whole table body, then for the header, toolbar, you see row, and even for the columns individually you can style in any details. Something really important is that we made with these properties, with this setting, access to CSS style sheets. That means that this input will behave also like this. We had the question, for example, for margin, how we can individualize left side, top and down the margin eventually, and not having this for all settings. That's very easy. As it is CSS, you can actually do something like this in this input field, or you can go even more in detail and have all four sides, not only top, down, left, right, and you see it directly reacts to that. So you can apply CSS settings always in these input fields. So we hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.